So how does one eat? What's proper food combining? Okay, now when we digest, when we eat food and it's to be digested, the body uses different enzymes to break down these foods, okay? And we don't want to mix these enzymes together because they dissolve each other or they neutralize each other. For instance, if you eat starches and you eat proteins, you're calling upon two different types of digestive enzymes. And these, they don't mix together, so they will not work as efficiently, and the food will sit on your stomach and ferment. And that's where candida and that's where bacteria comes from. Okay? So when you're eating, ideally when you're eating, you want to eat only one type of food by itself. For instance, if you're eating starches, you eat starches alone. You don't combine the starches with fruits because the fruits digest faster than the starches. Okay? And likewise, if you're eating protein and starches, you want to eat them different times because they ferment each other. And that's why personally I recommend fruits, because fruits, the 15-20 minutes that you're done, it's been digested already. It's quick and easy on the body, and the body has a lot of energy to use to repair itself and to get healthy. Okay, so this is what you have to know about food combining. It's best to eat each group separately: protein by itself, carbohydrates by itself, fruits by itself. But if you can't, then you have one meal fruits, one meal starches, one meal protein, etc. Even though I don't recommend protein or starches, because I recommend fruits because they're the healthiest way to go. This is how you would do it. That would allow the body to digest everything effectively, so there'll be less fermentation, less candida, less bacterial growth. So I hope this helps you. There's more of it coming.